Today I have a new computer, the LG UltraPC, and in this series I'm going to show you everything about this computer, from the unboxing, review, tech specifications, demos, tests, how to open and how to upgrade and repair, to get to know everything about this computer. But first, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week. Now with the computer open, I can repair or upgrade. If you have any difficulty removing the computer cover, just watch the previous video. So what can we do inside the computer? You can clean it. As you can see, there is already some dust in this area. Therefore, you can clean it with a cloth or a brush. For example, cleaning the fan. You can make repairs, but the components are so small that it is difficult to repair. But you can replace components or make upgrades. Let me show you. The motherboard can be removed and replaced. But let's look at the components on the motherboard. This computer has two M.2 NVMe 2280 slots. I only have one module installed, but I have another slot, so I can add one more. You can also replace the processor heatsink by removing this entire block, which has the fan and the heat pipes assembled with screws on the processor. The RAM memory is soldered on the motherboard. That are these 4 chips here. Therefore, you will not be able to replace the RAM memory. Here is the Wi-Fi card, which can be replaced. By removing this screw, you can remove the Wi-Fi module. On the side, there are 2 sound speakers, which connect on this connector. You just have to unplug them from the motherboard and replace them if they get wet or break down. And the battery, which can be easily replaced. The battery is only connected through this connector on the motherboard, and the entire battery can be removed by removing the screws that hold it in place. So if the battery breaks, or it can't hold a lot of charge anymore, you can easily replace the battery. And that's all you can replace. These are the components that you can upgrade, replace or repair on this portable computer. While it's not possible to replace the RAM memory because it's soldered, the 2 main components that you can replace are the battery and the NVMe M.2 module. The battery may only need to be replaced many years from now. What you might need to do more frequently is replace the NVMe, upgrading to one with larger capacity or an additional module, one for the operating system and the other for data. The M.2 connections on this computer are for 2280 modules, which means that the module length is 80 mm. To remove this module, you have to remove the screw. Unscrew this screw, and after removing it, the module will lift up a little. Then just pull and remove the NVMe module. You can see that it does not have an intermediate screw to fit a 2242 or a 2260 module. It only has the screw for the 2280, for 80 mm modules. Therefore, if you want to install a smaller module, you will have to use an adapter to adapt to this size. I already made a video showing how you do that. Then, with the new 80 mm module, fit it at an angle on the M.2 connection. Then lower the module to be flat with the motherboard and put the screw. And then tighten the screw. You don't need to tighten it hard, just so that stays fixed to the module to do a good connection on the motherboard. And that's it. We can see that it's well installed. And so this is how you can replace the NVMe M.2 module on this computer. Or, if you want, add another NVMe module. This was another video about the computer LG UltraPC, but there will be more videos about this notebook PC. I will cover everything about this computer, from the unboxing, review, speed and battery tests, or how to upgrade and repair, for you to decide if you should buy this computer. Now, subscribe to the channel because I post new videos every week, like the video, and if you have any question about this computer, write in the comments.